Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to install update iOS 16 or on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, restart your iPhone. So guys, after restarting iPhone, so simply open the lock. So guys, after restarting iPhone, what you need to do, so guys, simply delete some apps to free up some space. So I'm going to open some apps here. So it's unused app, so I'm going to delete. So guys, this is a simple step, and the third step is go to your settings, tap on general and go back, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. So guys, tap on reset network settings, tell your passcode and simply tap on reset network settings. So after resetting your network settings, so open just settings, tap on general, go back, tap on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have any installed beta profile on your iPhone, so simply remove your beta profile from here. So I don't have any beta profile. So then check your battery. So I have battery health. So guys, the last method is force restart your iPhone. Simply tap on force restart, tap on the power button and volume up and volume down button at the same time. So guys, this is the simple method for fixing this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.